Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Blazer RS. Comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated and cooled seats, as well as a panoramic sunroof, drive-out selector, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with red accents throughout the vehicle, paneling cup holder storage in the bottom, with your power liftgate, equipped to the Bose speaker sound system. It'll come up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with your seat memory, chrome accent handle. Onto the seats, you got these power adjustable, heated and ventilated leather seats, super nice. Left side you'll have your vents and as well as your lighting control. Left side of steering wheel is going to be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. The black bow tie. And the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. Now on the odometer you can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, as well as your gauges, as well as you can access audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start. And onto the infotainment, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as navigation. You also have Amazon Alexa, downloadable apps, as well as you can access your rear camera with Hitch guidance and the Hitch cam. Below here, you're going to have the dual zone climate control with 2 huge vents, and as well as 2 USB ports right in the middle. Just below a wireless charging pad. With the shifter, you got the RS badging, and you're going to have your park assist, lane keep assist, and drive mode selector. And center console, you're going to have 2 more USB ports, as well as an SD card reader. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, red accents, chrome all the way across. You got speakers and vents up top, and then here you can access your reading lamps, on-start and SOS, and your panoramic sunroof. So you're getting these 20-inch wheels on Michelin Primacy Tour all-season tires. You got the black roof with the paint match mirror caps, and then the paint match keyless entry door handle, luggage side rail up top, deep tint rear glass in the back with your black emblems, as well as the dual exhaust. And power trunk, you got the reclinable seats, as well as lamps, extra storage, as well as the weather mats, and extra removable storage and tools down below. It's a very spacious room. Moving on to the rear interior, again more paneling and storage right next to the speaker. Power windows with the heated rear seating. Lots of extra legroom stored behind the passenger and driver's side with rear ventilation, USB ports, as well as an AC wall charger. Some storage down below. You got the cup holder and armrest right in the center. Lamps and handles on the side, and above you again, the panoramic sunroof. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Blazer RS, equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, as well as a panoramic sunroof, heated and ventilated seats, lane keep assist, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.